try to recycle food as much as possible to save money on our groceries and money. Yeah. So when I have something in my fridge that has not been eaten for a while, I try to recycle it. So I make a new recipe out of it so that somebody else will be able to eat another recipe. Ginisang giniling na manok with vegetables has been sitting in the fridge for a while, for a few days, at wala nang kumakain. Ayaw nila kasi hindi siya masyadong masarap. It's chicken, so it's not as tasty as pork or beef. So I will recycle it. I'll put eggs, like an egg omelet. I-design ko siya sa egg. At for sure, marami. Kakainin na naman namin ito. So, I have put in there 2 eggs. I put in garlic salt. Mix. Ibabati ko lang siya. I'll beat the eggs. Also putting in a little turmeric powder, a pinch. Just to add some flavor. And then this celery seed. I'll just play with some spices here. I'm just playing with some spices. Mix ko lang siya. I've heated the oil here. Then I'm gonna put the giniling. Hindi pa siya masyadong mainit. So I'm just warming it up a little bit. Just mix it here. And the egg. And the beaten egg. Just mixing it here. It's like egg omelette with and then I'll put it back. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. In a few minutes. Medyo malambot pa rin. And it's brownish already, so okay. Just let it brown on that side, on that other side. And wait another few minutes. See if it's ready. There you go. Hindi siya ganun ka, medyo na-break siya, pero that should be okay. There you go. Oh, this should still be okay. So I'll just open the other. Let's see if this is done. Oh, this is better. There you go. It looks better. Takes like about 5 minutes to cook. Let's make it more brown. It should be done. Okay, so the third one is almost done. Beautiful. Okay, done. So I made 3 omelettes. I'll just leave it there to cook it some more. There you go. So I made this omelette. I recycled this giniling. Put some eggs to make a giniling omelette, and it's another recipe for a family because sometimes he doesn't want to eat leftovers. So if I recycle them, some of the food, at least it's another appetizing recipe for us. See? So these are 2, and then there's another one in the